How to apply Poshmark coupon. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'll guide you on how you can apply Poshmark coupon code, so make sure to watch the video till the end. If you want to apply coupon code in Poshmark, all you have to do is simply go ahead and first of all open up your browser, go to poshmark.com. Now in order to apply a coupon code, you have to go to the checkout page. So let me just select a random product over here. When I select a product, and then if I want to apply the coupon code for this product that I want to buy, I'll just tap the buy now button here. Now first of all, you have to make sure to enter your shipping address. So just go ahead and then make sure to tap the buy now option here, and then just go ahead and then enter the shipping addresses. Once you enter the shipping address and then you tap the next option, if your details are valid, you'll be taken to this little second page, which is the payment page. When you are on payment page, it will give you all the other options to pay, and then you'll also have the option to actually enter the coupon code, and that's where you have to simply apply the Poshmark coupon code. Tap on apply and it will be successfully applied to purchase this product. This is how you can apply your Poshmark coupon code. Hope this video was helpful to you guys, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. And if you have any questions, feel free to also leave them down in the comment section. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.